In the past, an unexpected breakdown meant a long, manual wait. You'd call the center, wait for registration, and wait even longer for dispatch.
Hello, security? Oh, okay, I will send help now. Hello, maintenance. People got stuck inside the lift. Can you go and help them, please, at level LG1?
The breakdown inevitably resulted in a protracted waiting period, an outdated standard that stalled your day. Now, the future is here. Introducing MIRI by Hyundai Elevator. Maintenance innovation and real-time information. MIRI detects issues instantly. Before you even pick up the phone, we're already on our way. It's faster response, smarter service, and total peace of mind. The MIRI service ecosystem evolves elevator management into a data-driven experience by integrating status monitoring, smart troubleshooting, and AI CCTV. This allows building managers to prepare in advance through predictive maintenance, while ensuring a prompt response via an extensive service network and MIRI Call smartphone integration. Building managers can stay informed through a real-time customer portal, available on PC and mobile. Combined with monthly inspections, MIRI delivers an innovative and convenient mobility service that prioritizes passenger safety and total operational efficiency.